No, this is not a popularity contest. It's a constitutional accountability mechanism. Ano? And it would be good to remember what happened during the impeachment trial of the late CJ Corona. No, matatandaan ho natin at the start hindi ho mataas no yung suporta ng publiko dun sa impeachment proceedings, but when they started to see the evidence no, that were presented in the course of the proceedings, the tides change. Kaya nga ho lagi naming hinihingi no, wag ho nating pangunahan itong proseso na to. Pinapakiusapan ho natin yung mga kababayan natin no, na subaybayan natin ng mabuti itong impeachment proceedings. Pakinggan at suriin natin lahat ng ebidensya, no? At kung siguro magkakaroon ho ng mga survey tungkol sa bagay na to, it's very premature to do it at this time. Gawin ho natin yan, no? Kapag narinig na ng taong bayan ang malakas na ebidensya. To be fair, hindi lang ng prosecution, pati ng kabilang panig, pag nandiyan yung ebidensya, then let's hear their opinion about it.